Barcelona in crisis as Xavi returns to pack, bag and leave after Real Madrid thumping. Barcelona currently sit fourth in the La Liga table and lost their second El Clasico of the season following a 4-1 defeat against Real Madrid in Saudi Arabia on Sunday. Xavi has threatened to quit Barcelona if his players lose faith in him following their 4-1 drubbing against Real Madrid in the Supercopa de España on Sunday. Barca were traced at the King Fahd Stadium in Saudi Arabia after Vinicius Junior grabbed a hat-trick and Rodrigo scored the other for Carlo Ancelotti. Robert Lewandowski netted Barcelona only goal of the game as they crashed to a demoralizing defeat against their arch-rivals. And ahead of their Unionistas in the last 16 of the Spanish Cup on Tuesday, Xavi said, "I love this club. I'm here to bring something to it. If I don't do it, I will go home. If I had not won La Liga last year, I would not be here." He added, "The day my players no longer follow me, I will pack my bags and leave. When someone tells me there's a problem, I will leave." Xavi was appointed as Barcelona boss in November 2021 following the departure of Ronald Koeman. He guided them to a second-place finish in La Liga during his first season before going one better in the 2022-2023 campaign as Barcelona lifted the title for the first time in 4 years. However, Barca have made a stuttering start to this season and currently sit fourth in La Liga, 8 points behind leader Girona. Though Xavi's side do have a game in hand, the Catalan giant faced Napoli in the Champions League's last 16 first leg on before the return leg in March. When the owners signed me from Qatar, they said it was one of the worst moments in the club history and were in the process of changing things. Xavi continues. "I'm calm. I have 3 titles to win. We're closer to success than failure." Xavi's comment come a day after ESPN reported that the ex-Barcelona midfielder is fighting to keep a number of players on side. It's claimed that several members of the first-team squad have been questioning Xavi's tactic and team selection for a significant period of time, and Sunday 4-1 El Clasico defeat has raised further questions. Sporting director Deco was questioned about Xavi's future after the loss in Saudi. "The question doesn't make sense. It's a final. This is not the time to talk about Xavi's future." Deco said he has the confidence of the president, the sport management. It's a tough defeat that has to be discussed, but it doesn't change anything. Captain Sergio Roberto said, "Right now we are angry about the defeat against Real Madrid. It always hurts, and I think those 2 goals in 10 minutes were the game. We knew that with the goal we were in the game again, but it was not to be. I'm sure we'll get out of this. Now it's time to be self-critical and learn from our mistakes."